Of Samskriti School of Engineering, welcome you all for the Spark 2020 MSET online classes. So today we are going to discuss about integration chapter. So I will explain somewhat, okay, how we are deriving the formulae, how we are going to frame on our own, as well how to do the problem based on that particular topic. We'll learn about all these things in this class. Now we'll see this. Can anybody say that what do you mean by integration? Actually, normally, maybe you know that integration is nothing but a symbol can be kept like this, and we can go for calculating all the problems by based on the form. So integration is nothing but, suppose if I say one word, normal word I am saying, national integration. What is the meaning of it? Means nation can stand on unity. Unity means nothing but, even though we have so many religions and so many persons are there, all are come together under a one shadow, under the one umbrella that we are unity. మనమందరము ఒకటి అనేటువంటి ఒక దీన్నే ఇంటెగ్రేట్ అంటే ఇంటెగ్రేషన్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కంబైనింగ్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్. Combining all together. Where do we use this integration? We use the integration to find some areas of the surfaces as well as volume of the given substance. So this integration, especially this integration is used, mathematical integration is used to find the areas and volumes of different. Suppose let us consider this is a one surface. Let us consider this is a surface. You want to find the area of this particular surface means I am just dividing this surface into small parts like this. So like this, if I divide this into small parts and each part I am considering as delta A1, area of the small region. I am considering this area of this total surface. Let us consider this is a small area which is to be considered as delta A1. I am considering one another as delta A2. So one another I am considering as delta A3. So like that I am going to write down all the areas. So you want to find the area of the total surface means what you are going to do? So the total area is equal to summation of all means delta A1 plus delta A2 plus delta A3 dash dash dash. Like this, how many areas, how many surfaces, small areas are there? That many areas add and you can keep the answer. Delta AN. Suppose if 25 small such type of areas are there throughout the surface. ఈ టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ మీద చిన్న ఏరియాలు ఈ విధంగా ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటే ఈ చిన్న ఏరియాలన్నింటినీ కలిపి రాస్తే దీన్నే టోటల్. దీన్నే మనం ఏం రాస్తాం అంటే ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ రైటింగ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ టేకింగ్ యాజ్ సమ్మేషన్, టోటల్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ యాజ్ ఇంటెగ్రేషన్. ఇంటెగ్రేషన్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ కంబైనింగ్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్. సో ఇంటెగ్రల్, సో AN, nothing but area of all the small region. So this is the meaning of integration. Okay, so integration is doing depending upon the axis of rotation. Axis of rotation is nothing but, suppose let us consider this is a two-dimensional area is nothing but this is X, this is Y, this is Z axis. So depending upon that, if the area is enclosed in between these two X and Y, then we can take it as integration dx dy, double integration dx dy. Suppose if the area is enclosed in between YZ axis, we can integrate the given function. Means surface is to be mentioned in the form of a function. Whether the function may be either it may be trigonometric function or it may be any algebraic function like this, whatever it may be. The surface can be defined in form of a function, and if you find the integration of that function, that gives the area of that particular thing. Are you got it? So like this, you are going to find the area of this particular surfaces and volume by using the integration. Actually, this is the original meaning of integration. Okay, now we will go for as usual normal. I am deriving each and every formula. According to the subject, integration is nothing but it is a quite opposite or a quite inverse of differentiation. We already well familiar. So see the formula d by dx of e power x is equal to, all of you write down now along with me. Why? Because it is a waste of time. Even if I give the time to you, it is a waste of time to you only. If I cover more syllabus, if I cover so many things, means it is useful for you only. Why? Because I will cover more problems. D by dx of e power x is equal to, we know that e power x. Now you just go for integration of this part is equal to this. Nothing but integration of e power x with respect to x you are doing d by dx of okay, integration of e power x dx is equal to, we are finding this one. The answer becomes this one. So that is equal to e power. Integration of e power x dx is equal to what? So the formula is e power x. Okay, can we do the problems on this? Okay, and now you can go for integration of e power ax dx. Can you anybody say the answer for this? So integration of I sent the PDF in the group Park 2020 boys and Park 2020 boys and girls. There is one group we made. In that group, I sent already total PDF of okay, differentiation. Give me the answer. See here, how to find the answer for this? First of all, find the d by dx of e power ax. Okay, e power ax is equal to, as usual, e power ax into a. Ax differentiation is a into d by dx of x. Why? Because a is constant. Take it out. Both are get cancelled once. So this is the formula for this. Okay, e power. Okay, good. Somebody wrote this one. So now we can go bring this to this side. 1 by a into d by dx of e power ax into e power a. If you find the integration this side, it becomes 1 by a into e power a. That's all. Means d by dx, if you send this side, it becomes integration. So that's why e power ax is equal to 1 by a, e power ax into 1 by a. That is equal to, see here remember this, in the differentiation, if you are multiplying the constant, means in the integration it will become divided by. Remember this. So this is the okay formula for this. Next, can we go for one more? Give me the answer for this. Integration of e power 5x dx is equal to 6. Do first. Integration e power 5x dx is equal to what? E power 5x divided by 5. What is the place in the place of a? What is there? This. Okay, in the same way, integration e power ax plus b dx is equal to, this is also one formula. Okay, integration of ax plus b into dx. Can you anybody say the answer for this? Okay, same as usual, e power ax plus b and differentiation of this. Differentiation of this is equal to a into differentiation of x is 1. Constant is 0. That's why it is become divided by e power ax plus b divided by a. So this is based on this. We are writing the so many things. Okay. Now we will go for integration of minus 3x dx is equal to what? Say the answer for this. Integration of minus 3x dx. What is the answer for this? Good. E power minus 3x divided by minus 3. Nothing but you write down here, instead of denominator, Write down in the numerator. Minus e power 3x divided by 3 is the answer. Okay, good. So with this, so we come to know that different formulas of d by dx of e power x is equal to integration of e power x dx is equal to e power x. Now we'll go for one more formula. So after this, I will go to the bigger problem. So first of all, I will explain the basic things, what you are going to learn and all the things. Okay, and now we will go for the second one. So d by dx of x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is equal to d by dx of x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 is equal to. So see here, n plus 1 is a constant. Take it out 1 by n plus 1. Okay, this is why, because n plus 1 with respect to x we are doing. That's why n plus 1 becomes constant. Take it out and differentiation of this. We know that differentiation of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. Is it or not? D by dx of x power n is equal to n into n plus length on the n plus 1. X power n minus 1. So that's why you may get cancelled these two things, and then n plus 1 get cancelled. You can get only x power. So the differentiation of this value is equal to this means, what is the formula for integration? Integration of x power n dx. This dx also extends this side, is equal to, now what is the answer? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And also you add one constant, integral constant plus c. Okay, so like this we are going to do the answer. Integration of x power n into dx is equal to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Why? Because differentiation of this, okay, is equal to, by doing this you are getting x power n. So integration of this becomes, this is the answer, x power n plus 1 and can you do the answers? So directly you can see the answer. Integral x power 5 dx is equal to what? Tell me the answer. Integration of x power 5 dx is equal to x power 6 by 6. Good. X power n is how much? 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. X power 6 divided by 6. Okay, plus c is the answer. C or okay, depending upon the situation, you can write the. Can anybody say the answer for this? Integral x power minus 3 dx. Integral x power minus 3 dx is equal to. Write down. See here, what is the formula? X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. X power minus 2 divided by minus 2. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 x square. Why? Because x power minus 2, if you bring it down, it becomes x square plus square. So that's why the answer is minus 1 by 2 x square. Okay. So this is the answer. So what is the answer for this? Integral x power ax plus, okay, leave it. Just don't go for this. This will become one another. Okay, this one. Okay, don't go for that. We'll go for one more such type of a problem. So this is about one more thing. It will go to the one another. This. Come to the one more. We know that d by dx of log x is equal to, we know that the answer is 1 by x. In the same way, if you come here, integral 1 by x dx is equal to, integration of this is equal to, this is the answer. What is the answer? Log x. Okay, integration of that is equal to 1, log x is the answer. Now we will go for, so integration of 1 by x minus 5 dx is equal to, Can anybody say the answer for this? This is equal to same like this only. Instead of x, we are taking x. X is there means x here answer. So the answer is log of modulus of x minus 5 plus c. Again, what you are going to do here is nothing but you can go for the differentiation of this. Differentiation of x is equal to 1 only. So that's why plus c. In the same way, what is the formula for 1 by ax plus b into dx? Can anybody say that? What is the answer for this? So the answer is the same as usual, log ax plus b divided by differentiation of this integration of a, this is equal to a plus c. So the answer is log of ax plus b divided by a plus c is the answer. So integration of 1 by 3x minus 6 dx is equal to, say the answer for this. So integration of 1 by 3x minus 6 dx is equal to, what is the answer for this? The answer is log of 3x minus 6 divided by 3. Log of 3x minus 6 divided by 3 is the answer. Okay. So like this, we are going to do the problem based on this. We are going to do the now. So now we'll go for one more. So we know that d by dx of sin x is equal to, we know that what is the answer for this? Cos x. So in the same way, go for finding the integration of cos x dx is equal to, integration of cos x dx is equal to, the answer is sin x. And also write down plus. Okay, like that we are going to do the as well. So now you can go for one more. D by dx of minus cos x is equal to, minus, take it out common, d by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Minus into minus, what it becomes? Plus sin x. So therefore, integral sin x dx is equal to, what is the answer? Cos x. Minus cos x. So remember this here. Integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus 6. So like that we are going to do the, now one more, d by dx of a power x is equal to, what is the formula for this? We already did, a power x into log a power x into log. Suppose if you bring a power x like this, so what it becomes? 1 by log a into d by dx of a power. So therefore, so if you find out the integration for this, integral a power x dx is equal to, what is the answer for this? A power x by log a power x divided by log a. This is one more part. Can you do the problems for this? Integral a power 5 dx is equal to, what is the formula for this? What is the answer for this? The board is clear, Mama. Yeah. So what is the answer for this? Integral a power 5 dx is equal to a power 5 divided by log a. A power 5 divided by log. See here, ma. A you keep like that only. A power x, in the place of x, what we kept? 5. So that's why the answer is a power 5 divided by log a only the answer. Okay, in the same way, integral 5 power x dx is equal to, what is the answer for this? Integral 5 power x dx is equal to, what is the answer? See here, 5 power x as it is, you write down, divided by log a. In the place of a, what is here? 5. So that's why the answer is 5 power x divided by log 5. The answer is 5 power x divided by log 5. Okay. So like this, you can go for doing the integration. So integration is nothing but, okay, different. We already well familiar. Integration is quite opposite to the differentiation. That's why differentiation, if you do the differentiate value, the answer, if you do the integration this the right side, automatically you can get the left side answer. That's all. There is no question of confusion here in this case, especially. Okay. In the same way, how can you write this one? Integral a power bx plus c into dx is equal to integral a power bx plus c is equal to, what is the answer for this? As usual, write down. You can compare this with a power x is equal to a power bx plus c divided by log a. Okay, it is log a only, and then don't leave it. Integration of bx plus c. Integration of bx plus c means integration of this is equal to by b you can get that. So that's why b into b. So nothing but you write down b here in front of. So a power bx plus c divided by b into log a. b into log a. So this is the formula for this. Integral a power 5x plus 7 dx is equal to, write the answer for this by using this formula. Integral bx plus c, a power bx plus c dx is equal to, write down the same term divided by x coefficient into base. Good. See here, the answer is a power 5x plus 7 divided by log a into 5 log a. A power 5x plus 7 divided by 5 into log a. So like this, you can write the answer for such a type of problem. Sindara. Okay. Is it okay? Now we will move on to some other form. So now we will move on to some other formulae for which what you are going to. So integration of sin 5x dx is equal to, what is the answer for this? Integration of sin 5x dx. We know that integration of sin x is equal to, as usual, minus cos x, nothing but minus cos 5x, and the 5x integration is divided by 5 plus c. Integration of sin 5x dx is equal to, integration of sin x is minus cos x, write down x as a 5x, and again 5x integration is divided by 5, so plus c. So like this we are going to do the problems of this. Now we'll go for some more problems. Integration of sin cos. Okay, now we'll go for integration of tan x. Before going to that, what I am going to do is nothing but d by dx of log of secant x is equal to d by dx of log of secant x. D by dx of log x is equal to, we know that 1 by secant x. Why? Because d by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x is the answer. In the place of x, what is there? Secant x is there. D by dx of log is equal to 1 by, in the place of x, secant is there. That's why secant x. Again, integration of or differentiation of secant x is equal to secant x into tan x. So differentiation of this one is equal to secant x into tan. Secant x get cancelled. You can get right hand side as tan. Okay, ma? So therefore, the integration of tan x is equal to what? Log of secant. Integration of tan x dx is equal to log of secant x. Okay, integration of tan x dx is equal to. So how we are getting? I am saying how we are getting the formula by using the differentiation. So why? Because we know that differentiation is quite opposite to integration, as well as integration is quite opposite to differentiation. That's why you are going to do the problems like this. Integration of tan x dx is equal to log secant x. Say the answer quick. Tan 5x dx is equal to. Say me the answer. Integration of tan x dx we already know, log of secant x. Integration of tan 5x is equal to. Yes, log of 5x, log of secant 5x divided by 5. Okay, log of secant 5x divided by 5 is the answer. Okay, so like this we are going to do the, even if you forget, if you know the differentiation, automatically integration becomes very easy to use. Integration అంటే చాలా ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. సో వై? బికాస్ ఈ బేసిక్స్ చెప్పిన తర్వాత మీకు పెద్ద డిఫికల్ట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చెప్పాను అంటే మీరు ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమవుతుంది. అందుకోసమే, లేకపోతే ఇవన్నీ మీకు తెలుసు, నేను డైరెక్ట్గా పోవచ్చు, కానీ వితౌట్ బేసిక్స్ ఇఫ్ ఐ గో దేర్ ఆటోమేటిక్లీ యూ కెన్ ఫీల్ సమ్ వాట్ డిఫికల్ట్. In the same way, go for integration of cos x is equal to minus log cosecant x and all. So if you go for doing like this, you can get the answer. Now I am going to move on to skip on to inverse function. D by dx of sin inverse x is equal to, we know that. What is the formula for this? 1 by root of 1 minus x square. We know this one. Okay. Now we can go for the integration of this. So integration of 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x. That's all. Means the differentiation of sin inverse is equal to 1 by. So integration of this is equal to this. Okay. And now what is the answer for this? Integration of 1 divided by 25x square. Can you say, anybody say the answer for this? What is the answer for integration of root of 1 minus 25x square by using this formula? So integration of 1 divided by root of 1 minus 25x square. ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు దీన్ని మనము? సేమ్ దీని మాదిరినే, just I am writing in the form of x square. Integration 1 divided by root of 1 minus, can I write this as 5x whole square? Okay. Now see here, this is in the same formula, 1 by root of 1 minus 5x whole square. X బదులు ఇక్కడ 5x ఉంది అంతే, ఇంకేం లేదు. So the answer is sin inverse 5x. That's all. Sin inverse 5 is the answer. Okay, don't go for divided by 5 again. So why? Because then the formula itself, if x is there means x here. If x by instead of x, what is there here? So 25x is there. That's why I am writing as 5x whole square. That's why the 5x you can write down directly here. Okay. So like this, you can go for doing the so many Okay, right. What you did is correct. Again, 5x differentiation is divided by 5 plus c is the answer. Sin inverse 5x divided by 5 plus c. So in this way, we are going to write the different types of problems. So now we'll go for some important, basic law of integration. Will go. Remaining cos inverse x, you know already well familiar. You just go for those things. Now we'll go for the things. So some important results. Integration of k into f of x dx is equal to k is constant, take it out, and integral the given function into dx. Means you cannot find the different integration for constant. That's why you take it out and write the answer for that. Next, can we go for one more? So integration of so now we move on to one more integration of f of x plus or minus g of x dx is equal to. Means you are doing integration for both the functions. Means separately you can divide it and write down that integral f of x dx plus integral g of x dx plus or minus, whether it may be plus or it may be minus. You can go for finding the answer first. So separately means there are two functions are in the addition and we are doing the integration. Means integration of f of x dx plus or minus integration of g of x dx. Okay, now so like this we are going to write the answer for this. Now we will go for one more integration of 1 dx is equal to integration of 1 dx is equal to x. Why? Because differentiation of x with respect to x is equal to 1. That's why integration of 1. How we are going to get this one? We already well familiar that differentiation of x is equal to 1. So if you find the right side integration, means the answer becomes this one. Integral 1 dx is equal to x is the answer. Integration of this one becomes this one. Okay, like that we are going to write the answer. Again we are writing, see one more, d by integration of, see here, integration of, before going to that we will go for one more, d by dx of e power x into f of x. See means I am multiplying one function with e power x, one function with e power x. So both the terms are in what? X terms, both are containing x variable. That's why you consider this as u and you can consider this as v. So what is the formula for uv? So differentiation of uv method is equal to u you keep constant, means first one constant, and the integration of differentiation of function is equal to f dash x. Meanwhile, you keep one more thing constant, f of x into d by dx of e power x is equal to what? E power. So that's why we are writing this as in these two terms e power x is common. We'll take it out, e power x. That's why what it becomes, I am writing this one as first f of x plus f dash. See ma, in MSET, in the integration, especially based on this, one problem should be there. So many of you don't know. So how to derive this one? As usual, see here now, I am finding the integration for this. The answer of integration is this one. Now we can go for one formula I am writing, very important, and so many questions asked especially on this formula. But you are making so much of typical with this. So see here, e power x into f of x plus f dash x into dx is equal to, the integration of this value becomes what? E power x into f of x. E power x into f of x, very important. So write down, make it down, make sure that maybe this year also you may get the one problem for this. Okay, integration of e power x into f of x plus, okay, f dash x into dx is equal to e power x into f of x. So what is this? So the answer, somewhat, okay, see here, బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, e power x into ఇక్కడ f of x దీని డెరివేటివే ఇక్కడ ఉండాల. అంటే సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ sin x ఉంది అనుకో, sin x plus cos x ఇచ్చాడు అనుకో, సపోజ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ గివెన్ లైక్ దిస్, ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ లైక్ దిస్, ఇంటెగ్రల్ e power x into sin x plus cos x dx is equal to, see here, by observing the question itself, e power x is whatever it may be, it is okay. F of x is sin x. Sin x యొక్క డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ f dash x కదా, sin x యొక్క డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ మనకు cos x. సో దీని యొక్క డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ద ఆన్సర్ బికమ్ e power x కామన్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంటూ f of x. వాట్ ఈస్ ద f of x? sin x. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ okay, the answer of this is e power x into sin x. E power x into sin x. Now it is not clear. The board is clear. Now you see, somewhat board is clear. So write down this formula, integral e power x into f of x plus f dash x into dx is equal to e power x. Okay, మీకు ఎంసెట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నేను చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ ఫార్ములా చూస్తారు మీరే, ఏమి ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ వన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. ఓకే, సో లైక్ దిస్ we are going to do the problems of such things. So now I am writing one more problem based on this. Okay, e power x, integral e power x into, okay, so tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to, what is the formula for this? Integral e power x into tan x, tan inverse x plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to, do you observe this formula? E power x into f of x is tan inverse x. Differentiation of tan inverse is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. That's why the answer is e power x into, okay, e power x into, okay, tan inverse x. That's all. That is the answer. Why? Because this is f of x and this is f dash x. So that's why we are getting the answer as e power x into tan inverse x. Okay, integral e power x into, okay, e power x into x cubed plus 3x square dx. Same is the answer. D by dx of integration e power x into x cubed plus 3x square into dx is equal to, what is the answer for this? E power x into x cube. That's all. E power x into x cube. Very good. Why? Because ఇది f of x మా, దీని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ పక్కనే వస్తే, అడిషన్ లో వస్తే, the answer becomes e power x into f of x according to this formula. నేను డిరైవ్ చేసి చూపించాను మీకు ఎట్లా వచ్చింది ఏమి అనేది ఈ ఫార్ములా. సో కాబట్టి దీని ప్రకారం యూ కెన్ డూ ద, ఈ ఫార్ములాను బేస్ చేసుకుని ఎక్కువ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏమి ఎంసెట్ లో అడిగాడు. So simply you write down e power x into x cubed is the answer. So like this, there are so many things are there. So we'll go for so now so integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square dx is equal to, the answer is so sine inverse x by a. Sine inverse x by a plus c. Write down this formula. Why? Because sine inverse x is equal to 1 by root of this one. X by a is there, that's why we are getting a square minus x. Integration of 1 by root of a square minus x square into dx is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. Based on this, okay? Why? Because differentiation of this term becomes this is the answer. That's why integration of this becomes this is the answer. Okay? Now we can go for finding some answers for this. Integration of 1 divided by root of 9 minus x square dx is equal to, what is the answer? Integration, use the same formula here. Integration of 1 divided by root of a square minus x square dx is equal to sine square x by a plus c. Therefore, integration of 1 by a బదులు ఇక్కడ రాసుకో, స్క్వేర్ రూపంలో రాసుకోవాలి. ఇది స్క్వేర్ రూపంలో రాసుకోగలిగితే మీకు ఆన్సర్ సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్. వెరీ గుడ్. Okay ma, sine inverse x by 3. Very good. Why? Because we are writing this as integral 1 by 3. 9 is to be written as 3 square. 3 square minus x square dx. See, ఇదే ఫార్ములాలో ఉందా లేదా ఇది? సో a ఉన్న ప్లేస్ లో ఇక్కడ a వస్తుంది. సో దట్స్ వై the answer is sine inverse x by 3 is the answer. Plus c you write down. Plus some integral constant. Okay, so like this you are going to do the problems. ఇవి నీకు చిన్నగా అలవాటు అయ్యింది అంటే ఆటోమేటిక్ గా పెద్ద పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ లో ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ అనేటువంటిది ఈజీ అవుతుంది. డ్యూ టు దట్ రీజన్ ఐ ఆమ్ సేయింగ్ ద బేసిక్ ఫస్ట్ ఫర్ యూ. ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నుంచి నేను చిన్నగా మీతోనే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయించాను నేను. అంటే ఏమని అర్థము, ఇంకా పెద్ద పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ టు డూ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్. యూ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ యూ ఆర్ డూయింగ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆన్ యువర్ ఓన్ నౌ. Okay, shall we go for some more problems? Okay, some typical problems which are repeated again and again. ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పాను కదా, ఈ ఫార్ములాను బేస్ చేసుకొని ఒక ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చాడు అని. ఆ ప్రాబ్లం చూద్దాం ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది ఏమి అనేది, ఏ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఇస్తాడు అనేది కూడా మీకు చూపిస్తాను నేను. బట్ సమ్వాట్ ఎ లిటిల్ బిట్ టిపికల్, బట్ యూ షుడ్ అవేర్ అబౌట్ this. So find the value of integral 2 minus sine 2x. రాసుకోండి. These are the, I am just going to do the problems which are repeated in the last MCET, previous MCET exam. 1 minus cos 2x into e power x dx is equal to. He gave some answers. Okay, no, don't go for the answer. Directly you can see the thing. Now, but somewhat you should be aware about the trigonometry also. Trigonometry గురించి కూడా మీకు కొద్దిగా అవగాహన ఉంటేనే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయగలరు. ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్ దీనిలో కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకొని చేయొచ్చు. మనం ఎట్లా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలా? See here, I am directly doing this. Integral 2 minus sine 2x. Can you anybody say that what is the formula for sine 2x? 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin x into cos x. మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు, సార్ ఈ ఫార్ములా ఎట్లా వచ్చింది అని. మీకు చెప్పమంటే చెప్తా. బేసిక్ sin 2x నేను ఏ విధంగా రాసుకుంటాను అంటే sin x plus x రాయితా. This is in the form of sin a plus b. We know that sin of a plus b is equal to, okay, sin a cos b, sin of a plus b is equal to, what is the formula? So, what is the formula for sin 2x is equal to sin x plus x. Sin of a plus b is equal to, okay, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. ఇక్కడ ఏను బీను రెండు ఎక్స్లే కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే sin x cos x ప్లస్ sin x cos x అగైన్. సో కాబట్టి రెండు ఏమవుతాయంటే 2 sin x cos x అంతే కదా. sin x cos x ప్లస్ cos x sin x బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ టర్మ్స్. రెండు సేమ్ టర్మ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 1 + 1 2 sin x cos x. సో లైక్ దట్. సో sin 2x I am writing as 2 sin x cos x. ఈ బేసిక్స్ మీకు బాగా తెలియకపోతే చాలా ఇబ్బంది పడతారు. అందుకోసమే ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ బాగా మీరు 10th క్లాస్ నుంచి ఇంటర్లోను బాగా నేర్చుకొని ఉంటే ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయడం పెద్ద కష్టమేమీ కాదు. డివైడెడ్ బై ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ దిస్ 1 minus cos 2x ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ దిస్ యాజ్ 2 sin square x. ఈ విషయాలు బాగా తెలిసిండాలి మీకు, లేకపోతే ఆన్సర్ నువ్వు చేయలేవు. సేమ్ cos 2x కూడా అట్లే రాసుకోండి. cos of x plus x రాసినామనుకో ఏమవుతుందంటే cos a cos b ప్లస్ మైనస్ sin a sin b. ఆ విధంగా డిరైవ్ చేస్తే 1 minus cos 2x = 2 sin square x అనేటువంటిది వస్తుంది. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు బాగా అర్థమైంది అలా. సో వాట్ ఈస్ sin a, sin of a plus b, వాట్ ఈస్ cos of a plus b, ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ తెలిసింటేనే నువ్వు ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూడు. ఈ స్టెప్ రాకపోతే ఈ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంది అనే విషయం మీకు తెలియలేదు. సో దట్స్ వై యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ e power x into dx. So that is equal to, now we can divide it. Now we can divide the partial. So separate ga divide cheddama. Integral 2 divided by 2 sin square x minus okay dx లేదా ఇది ఒకేసారి రాసుకో ఈ విధంగా ఒకే బ్రాకెట్ లో 2 sin x cos x divided by 2 sin square x. రెండిట్లోనూ ఒకే ఎల్సిఎం ఉంది కాబట్టి ఒకే ఎల్సిఎం గా తీసుకొని పైన రెండింటిని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసేయచ్చు. ఇంటూ e power x dx. Now we can go for this. 2 get cancelled. 1 by sin square is equal to, we know that, cosecant square x minus okay sin x get cancelled. 2 get cancelled. Cos by sin cot x into e power x dx. e power x dx. Now ఇది స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మాట్ లో లేదు, చేంజ్ చేసుకొని రాసుకున్నాం మనం. ఇంటెగ్రల్ మైనస్ కాట్ ఎక్స్ ఫస్ట్ రాస్తాను ప్లస్ కొసీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ మళ్ళీ రాస్తాను ఇంటూ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ డిఎక్స్. నౌ యూ సీ హియర్ ఈ పవర్ ఎక్స్ ఇంటూ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ ఎఫ్ డాష్ ఎక్స్. సో మీన్స్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ కాట్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు కొసీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్. దీని డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఇది వస్తుంది మనకు ఆన్సర్. సో కాబట్టి దీన్ని డైరెక్ట్ గా ఆన్సర్ ఏ విధంగా రాయొచ్చు, e power x into f of x. In the place of f of x, what is there? Minus cot. So the answer is minus e power x into cot x is the answer. This question is asked in the previous MCET exam. Okay, so like this you are going to do the problems. చూడు ఒక్కొక్క దానికి నీకు ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయాలంటే ట్రిగ్నామెట్రీ నీకు బాగా వచ్చిందల్లా, బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ బాగా తెలిసిందల్లా ఇంటెగ్రేషన్స్ లో. అందుకోసమే ఫస్ట్ ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఈ డెఫినేషన్ ఈ ఫార్ములా చెప్పిన తర్వాతనే ఐ జస్ట్ గో మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద టిపికల్. వీటిని స్మాల్ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసి చూపించాను మీకు ఏ విధంగా చేయాలనేది. దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని ఏ విధంగా మనము పెద్ద పెద్ద ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేయాలి. అందుకోసమే నేను బేసిక్స్ చెప్పిండేది. ఆ బేసిక్స్ చెప్పినాను అంటే మీకు ఆటోమేటికలీ యూ కెన్ ఇంప్రూవ్ ద థింక్ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్. ఇప్పుడు ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని బేసిక్స్ మధ్యలో కొన్ని తీసేసాను అనుకో, ఇంటెగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ tan ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్, ఇంటెగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ కాట్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్, అవన్నీ కూడా మీకు ఆల్రెడీ మీకు అర్థమైపోయి ఉంటుంది నాకు తెలిసి. ఎందుకంటే ఈ పక్క డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేసిందే దానికి రైట్ సైడ్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తే దాన్ని రైట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న దాన్ని ఇంటెగ్రేట్ చేస్తే వెనకలు ఉన్నటువంటి ఆన్సర్ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ ఆన్సరే ఆన్సర్. సో కాబట్టి బెటర్ try to understand the basics first, then you can go for the difficulty level of the exam. Okay, this material also I wrote